And as we mentioned, semiconductor stocks weighed down the overall market today, and it all started with that weak earnings report from Broadcom that we told you about last night. It was a quarter that the company's CEO called depressing, and that sent the stock down 5% today, and it dragged the other chip stocks down with it. It was another reminder of the impact of the trade war with China, a country that the industry relies a great deal on for business. Josh Lipton has more.
Chip investors got a first look at what an extended trade war could mean for semiconductors, and it wasn't pretty. Broadcom CEO Hock Tan bluntly laid out the challenges.
With respect to semiconductors, it is clear that the U.S.-China trade conflict, including the Huawei export ban, is creating economic and political uncertainty and reducing visibility for our global OEM customers. As a result, demand volatility has increased, and our customers are actively reducing inventory levels to manage risk.
Tan noted that the company had about $900 million in revenue from Huawei last year. And it isn't just Broadcom. Micron CEO just said publicly that the Huawei ban has brought uncertainty and some turbulence, in his words, to the semiconductor industry. Semis sold off, now down hard from their highs in April. These are issues that many chip companies could have to deal with in the quarters ahead, and calls into question whether there really will be that second half snapback for these companies that many had predicted. On the other hand, analysts say the recent pullback could also create opportunities for investors. Even Broadcom, despite the generally poorly received results, showed pockets of strength.
One of the things we heard last night from Broadcom Limited is strength exists in their networking business. We had seen that before in Marvell. Marvell's been very active with M&A this year. That's a name we really like at current valuation levels to put capital to work.
In fact, Ellis says many of these chip companies now look more attractively valued, giving investors another reason, he says, to own some of these stocks. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Josh Lipton, San Francisco.